Good morning, students. Today I will teach factorization of polynomial. Okay, so write down factorization of polynomials. Okay, here I'll discuss the first. What is polynomial? What is factor? So all of you know factor means product of two or more quantity. Suppose x square minus y square. So we can all of you know x plus y, x minus y. Suppose 36 x square minus 1. So all of you know it can be 6x whole square minus 1 whole square. So we can write 6x plus 1, 6x minus 1. Suppose 36 x square minus 1. So we can write here 6x that is 6x whole square minus 1 whole square. So we write 6x plus 1, 6x minus 1. So we can say here, if we consider this expression, look at here, 36x square minus 1, this expression is completely divisible by 6x plus 1 and also completely divisible by 6x minus 1. So we can say 6x plus 1 is a factor of 36x square plus 1 factor. Similarly, 6x minus 1 is also factor of 36x square minus 1. Okay, suppose I am writing, suppose x square plus, suppose x square minus x minus 12. If we factor, we can get, suppose x minus 4 into x plus 3. Okay, so we can say here, this x square minus x minus 12 is completely divisible by x minus 4. Okay, similarly x square minus x minus 12, it is also completely divisible by x plus 3. Okay, so we can say x minus 4 is a factor of x square minus x minus 12 and also x plus 3 is also factor of x square minus x minus 12. Okay, see again I am showing here why we say this is factor and why we are telling that the x plus is a factor. My question is why. See, if we put the value of x minus 3 in the expression this part, see x square minus x minus 12, we consider, suppose this is f of x. Okay, this is f of x. Now you put here, suppose x minus 4 or x plus 3 means if we put x equal to 4, you put 4x equal to 4, so it will be 4 square minus 4 minus 12. See, 16 minus 16 will be 0. Okay, so 0 is coming vanish. The given expression will be vanish with the value of x equal to 4. Okay, so we can say x minus 4 is a factor of x square minus x minus 12. Similarly, if you put, suppose f of minus 3 you put, see, so minus 3 whole square minus x minus 3 minus 12. See here 9 plus 3 minus 12. So here 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so you can say here 12 minus 12, 0 is there coming. Okay, so you can say x minus, that is x plus 3 is a factor of x square minus x minus 12. Okay, now all of the factor, what is factor? Yes, factor means two product of two or more quantity. Suppose a plus b whole square, a plus b into a plus b. Two factors are there, maybe same, so what? Okay, now polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression. The power of the variable is always non-negative. Understood what I am telling? The power of the any algebraic expression is always positive. Non-negative is always positive. See, if we write, see, look at here, suppose x square, right? Wait, I am writing, suppose ax square plus bx plus c. This is an algebraic expression. Here a, b, c constant. The variable x is there. C, power here is 2, positive. Nothing is 1, positive. Here 0, you know, x to the 0 is 1. So here all are positive. So this is a polynomial. Okay, Again if you write, suppose ax to the power 4 bx cube c x square plus dx plus e. So this is also a polynomial function. Okay, see power 4 here, 3 here, 2. Suppose if you write ax square plus b by x plus c, it is not a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression, is okay, but it is not a polynomial. Okay, why? See, the power of x, if you consider see ax square, we can write b x to the minus 1 no? Plus c. So here negative integer is coming, so it is not a polynomial. Okay, so discussing factorization of polynomial. Okay, now factor theorem or remainder theorem. Okay, what is factor theorem? What is remainder theorem? Okay, listen. Suppose one algebraic expression f of x is given. This is given. If we divide by suppose x minus alpha, divide by x minus alpha. Okay, so we will get one quotient or remainder. Okay, suppose quotient is qx, getting qx, and here remainder suppose rx are getting. Okay, maybe constant also. Okay, here rx, or this is r means function of x or constant also, no problem is there. If rx will be 0, this part, no remainder, then we can say, so x minus alpha is a factor of f of x. If we put, okay, if we put x, that is fx is divisible by, completely divisible by x minus alpha. Suppose remainder 0, here nothing is there, this will be 0. Then x minus alpha is a completely divisible by fx. Okay, this is fx is completely divisible by x minus alpha. Okay, so we can say x minus alpha is a factor of fx. Again, suppose few remainder is there. Okay, here remainder is there, then we can say this is a remainder theory. This is a if remainder is there. Okay, so this is called its remainder theory. Okay, suppose remainder is f of alpha, then you can say so remainder is r equal to f of alpha. Wait, suppose I am giving one example, then you can understand. See, suppose f of x equal writing x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, fx equal to x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay, see fx equal to x square plus 2x plus 2. Look at here. Here this is an algebraic expression. See, it is divided by, suppose x plus 1. Find the remainder. Question is that find the remainder. First you write, see, fx is given x plus 1. If we put x equal to minus 1, opposite sign. Suppose x plus 1 is given, you put x equal to minus 1. Suppose x equal to minus 1, x minus 1 is there, then you put x equal to 1. See, right, anything is there, just you put suppose x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. Right? Now you put the value here, f of minus 1. Then minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. That is 1 minus 2 plus 2. 2 to cancel, this is 1. Okay, so you can say remainder equal to 1. Okay, remainder equal to 1. Okay, again, see, I am showing here, see, so x square plus 2x, another process, 2, just divide in general form, all of the division, 6 plus 1. If x square plus x, then x plus 2, give plus 1, see, x plus 1, see, this is 1. So 1 is remainder, this is quotient. Okay, 1 is remainder. See here. So you will do it. Answer, your answer paper is there. So answer you will do like that. Suppose this is given, divide by x plus 1. Then you put x plus 1 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 1. Put the value here. So whatever you get, this is the remainder. This is the in general process. Okay. This is the general process. Again I am giving. See. suppose f of x equal to, suppose x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 6 is divided by x minus 1. Find remainder r. So write x minus 1 equal to 0, right first, then x equal to 1. Just put the value. F of 1 equal to 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 6, then 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 will be 3 4, so the 14. So remainder here, remainder equal to 14. This is the answer. Like that, any function is there. Okay, suppose divided by, suppose x plus 4. Okay, see, you put x plus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 4. Okay, now see, f of minus 4 equal to 4 cube minus 4 cube plus 3 the minus 4 whole square, okay, plus 4 into minus 4 plus 6. Okay, so right, then minus 64 plus 16 3 48 minus 16 plus 6. So you can write here minus 80 plus 54. Okay, so 6 and that is 2 minus 26. So this is the remainder. This is the process. Okay, again I am giving answer. See, suppose if x is given, so 3x square plus 4x plus a is divided by x minus 1, and leaves the remainder equal to, suppose 5, then find the value of a. Find the value of a. Okay, how to do? See, find the value of a. See, first you write here f of x given x minus 1 equal to 0, right, x equal to 1. Now write f of 1, find out 3 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus a, that is 3 plus 4 plus a, the 7 plus a. Okay, so 7 plus a equal to, you can write, given remainder 5, so write 5, that is a equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Like that. Okay, any doubt? No. Next, now this is the remainder. If factor is given, then how to do? See, suppose I am writing fx equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 is given. Prove that it is completely divisible by x minus 1, or prove that x minus 1 is a factor of given expression, that is f of x. Now I put x equal to 1 first, x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. Now I put f of 1, okay, 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 1, that is 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. This cancel on 0, this is 0. This is 0. So f of 1 equal to 0. So you can say x minus 1 is a factor of fx. X minus 1 is a factor of fx. Okay. Next one, suppose x square plus, should write x cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 6. Okay, this is given. Okay, suppose writing suppose ax, right? Okay, is divisible by it divided by, but completely divisible by x minus 2. Then find the value of a. This expression is completely divisible by x minus 2. That means x minus 2 is a factor of this part. X minus 2 is a factor of this part. Then find the value of a. See, right? Suppose f of x right here, f of 2 put. So right here, that is 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square plus a into 2 minus 6. That is 8 plus that's 16 plus 2a minus 6. Here 18. Okay. So yeah, plus 2a. So complete factor is given. So we can write here 18 plus 2a equal to 0. Okay. So 2a equal to minus 18. That is a equal to minus 9. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now suppose it's given, suppose x minus 2 again. This type of question will come in exam. Suppose given x cube plus 3ax square plus 2bx minus 6 is given. There are two factors. Suppose x minus 2 and x plus 3 is a factor given. Two factors are there, x minus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, x minus 2 and x plus 3 is a factor given. Then find the value of a and b. Okay, find the value of a and b. Similar process. First you put right. Suppose f of x equal to x cube plus 3ax square 2bx minus 6. Put x equal to 2. F of 2 put. Then 2 cube plus 3a into 2 square plus 2b into 2 minus 6. That is 8 plus 12a 4b minus 6. That is 12a plus 4b plus 2. Since x minus 2 is a factor, so we can write here 12a plus 4b plus 2 equal to 0. Then 12a plus 4b equal to minus 2. So divisible by 2, that is 6a plus 2b equal to minus 1. So write one equation. Again, x plus 3 is a factor, so we can write put x equal to minus 3. Suppose x minus 3 put. Okay, now I put here. So f of minus 3, that is minus 3 whole cube plus 3a into minus 3 whole square plus 2b into minus 3 minus 6. That is 27 9 plus 27a 6b minus 6. Okay, so here minus 33 plus 27a minus 6b. Okay, minus 33 plus 27a minus 6b. Okay, factor is given, so you can write here 27a minus 6b minus 33 equal to 0. Then 27a minus 6b equal to 33. It is divisible by 3. So 9a minus 3 2b equal to 11. See, number 2 equation. So all of you know simultaneous equation number 1, number 2. These two equations you have to solve. All of you know how to solve and find the value of a and b. This is the process. Solve it by yourself. So very easy. 6a plus 2b equal to minus 1 and 9a minus 2b plus 11 equal to 0. 11 is given. Just we add the 2b to be cancelled. 9, 6, 15a equal to 10. Then you will get the value of a. Okay. So simultaneous linear equation is coming. All of you know how to solve. Okay. Again, giving one sum. Suppose see 3x square minus 4ax plus 6. 12, suppose this f of x is given and another gx is given 2x square plus 6x minus 9, this is given. Both are divided by, suppose x minus 2. Both the expression is divided by x minus 2. That leaves the same remainder. If we put x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, one remainder will get, and if divided by this also another remainder will get. Both are equal. So if both the algebraic expression is divided by x minus 2, it leaves the same remainder. Then what is the value of a? See, first we put x minus 2 equal to, then x equal to put, so f of 2. Suppose this is R1. Okay. So here 3 into 2 square, 4a into 2 plus 6. So 12, here sorry 12, 8a plus 6, 18 minus 8a. Okay. R2. Here R2 here, yes, right, R2, that is g of 2 here. So 2 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 minus 9. Then 8 plus 12 minus 9. Okay, this is 11. Both are same remainder is given. So you can say this equal to this. Yes. So right, same remainder R1 equal to R2 you can write. Okay, that is 18 minus 8a equal to 11. So minus 8a equal to 11 minus 18. So minus 8a equal to minus 7. So a equal to 7 by 8. Okay, like that you could do. All of you understood? Then you have to, whatever I discuss here, all of you practice at home. That every year you will get 1 or 2 questions will come from this part. Okay? Okay, bye.